Okay, good. We'll move on to the next. So the next process is your home shopping. So this is like where it gets kind of fun and you get to go out and keep in mind the price range that we talked about, your monthly payment that we talked about. Right now is the time to contact your local real estate agent. You guys, I know online is where it's at, but your local real estate agent is really critical right now because they have the up-to-date listings. They have all the accurate information that you're going to need. Yeah, and so for example, you want to make sure that if you go online and you find a property, that may not necessarily still be for sale, okay? So you can't always trust that, which is why it's important to contact your real estate agent. They have the most up-to-date MLS listings out there, okay, with the proper information. So make sure you do that.
Once you find the perfect home, you and your realtor will negotiate the offer or the contract.
That's right.
So everything that we go off of is based on the dates and deadlines and everything that's written into the contract between you and the seller of that home that you wish to buy.
That's right. And so right now we're going to interest rate lock. So interest rates are really volatile.
They can go up and down. It's projected this year that they should remain pretty stable, but that doesn't mean that there won't be blips, and there's no guarantee that those economists that we're listening to are correct. So no one really knows what's going to happen with interest rates. For right now, this is really, truly the perfect time to buy.
That's right. So we're going to lock those rates for your rate for 30, 45, or 60 days. All this is based on the dates that you and the seller agree on in the contract that you just got signed by them. Another thing to think about is the clock starts ticking the date that that contract is signed by the seller, not the date that you sign it, but the date that all the terms are agreed upon.
At this point, you're going to follow those dates and deadlines in the contract. You are going to get your home inspection scheduled. At the same time, we're going to be sending out disclosures and things like that. We're going to be ordering the appraisal and doing some of the behind the scenes.
That's right. So before we move on to the mortgage loan application, do we have any questions?
If you have a question, or if you'd like to see the full presentation, please feel free to contact Peggy at 920-457-5626 or email her at peggy.ayers@cibmmortgage.com.